Namaste bachcho. Welcome back children. Now in this session what we will be going to do? We will be going to see lesson number 3, lesson name Vyayam. What we will be seeing? We will be seeing lesson number 3, lesson name Vyayam. Vyayam means exercise. Yes children, we have already seen this lesson and we have read this lesson and we have write it down the abhyas also. Abhyas means exercises related to this lesson. Now, what is this session about? This session is about reading. Yes, children, this is a reading session. So, what are the contents of this session? What we will be doing in this session? First, we'll read the basics of letter. How the letters we will be forming, how we got the letters of Hindi and what are their formation we will see first. Then we'll see one video related to matras. Then we'll see one matras table. Then we'll read the lesson. Okay children, then let's move on. Basics of letters. Children, what is Hindi is about? Hindi is fully about Varnamala. What is Hindi is fully about? Varnamala. Varnamala is nothing but set of alphabets. Yes children, it is set of alphabets. Varnamala is divided into two parts. What are they? Swar and Vyanjan. Swar. Swar means a say aha. A to aha. We'll be getting basic letters, yes or no? Yes. By using these basic letters, we will be getting matra A. We will be getting the letters and also matra A, that means the symbols, the pronunciation sound. We'll be getting the symbols. Here, Vyanjan we will be getting ka se gya. Ka to gya we will be getting. Then children, if we join this matras symbols to this Vyanjan letter, what we will be getting? We will be getting Barakhadi. Yes, we will be getting Barakhadi, a set of alphabets with its pronunciation, with its sound. We'll be getting a set of letters that is called as Barakhadi. For one Vyanjan letters, for one letter we'll be adding with the matra A, the symbols, we will be getting a set of Barakhadi for a particular Vyanjan letter. Okay children, so this is full about the basics. If you are thorough with the basics, you can easily read and write the Hindi letters and Hindi words. Now we'll go on to one video children, that is about matras. It will be very useful for you to understand. Let's go on. Yes.
Let's learn matras. Each vowel has its own sound. We represent this sound by a symbol and we call this a matra. Here you can see each box has a vowel and the symbol of its matra. You need to memorize how to write a matra for the vowel. When we attach or join a matra to any letter like this, then the matra gives its sound to the letter. Here in this example, we have taken one letter K and tried to join all the different matras to it. Now let's see how we pronounce the letter with the matra. Ka. I'm not saying it here K, it is Ka with A ki matra. Ki with I ki matra. Ki. Ku. Ku. Kri. Ri ki matra, so it is Kri. Ke. kai, ko, kau. So you see how the matra affect the sound of a letter. Now let's study each matra in detail in our next videos.
Okay children, I hope you have understood that video. Next, we'll see one matras table. I have already told you children, if we join the swar letter matras, if we join the matras with the vyanjan letter, we'll be getting a set of letters that is called as barakadi. Yes or no? So here I have taken three letters. What are they? Ka, cha and ta. So children, how you have to read and how you have to form, now I will teach you. So if a Vyanjan letter we are joining to the matras, we will say it as half letter. We will read it as half letter. So ka we will read it as ik. Cha we will read it as ich. Ta we will read it as it. So ik plus a. A don't have any matras. So ik plus a will be ka itself. Ik plus a, ka. Ik plus e. It is small e because it is having small sound ki. Ik plus e. It is having long sound. So it is a big e, badi e. This is choti e, this is badi e. So big sound. Ki. U. Ik plus u. Same small u, choti u. Ku. Ik plus u, badi u, big u. So big, long sound. Ku. Ik plus ru or ri. We can say ru or ri. So ik plus ru, kru. Ik plus a, k. Ik plus I, kai. Ik plus o, ko. Ik plus au, kau. Ik plus kam. Ik plus aha, kaha. Same voice children I have taken for cha. So cha half letter we have to read and join with the matras. So ich. Ich plus a, cha. Ich plus a, cha. Ich plus e, chi. Ich plus e, chi. Ich plus u, chu. Ich plus u, chu. Ich plus ru, chru. Ich plus a, che. Ich plus I, chai. Ich plus o, cho. Ich plus au, chow. Ich plus aha. Sorry, chum. Ich plus aha, chaha. So same for ta. So we'll say as half letter it. It plus a, ta. So we'll read ta, ta, ti, ti, tu, tu, true, te, tai, to, tau, tum, taha. Okay children. So this was the formation of barakadis using matras table. Now we'll move on to the lesson. Now we will read the lesson using this matra sound, swar vyanjan. Fully we will join together and we will read. So here it is first word. What is the first word? Vyayam. Here children, v is halfly joined with ya. So we'll read it as if. It is half letter no. So we will read it and pronounce it as half letter if. Yeah. One matra. Fastly memorize, this is a matra. So if plus ya, vya, ya, im. Here children, in this word, lastly it is having ma. So children, it is not having any matras. So any word in the end of it, it is not having any matra, that is also we will pronounce like half letter. So children, two two things, what are they? One thing which is joined as half, we will read as half letter, and lastly no matras to that letter, that is also we will read as half letter. Okay children, then we'll move on to the next word. Same, sir is halfly joined to v. The halfly joined words with that letters we will say as combined letters. Sir is halfly joined to v, then sir is halfly joined to ta. Is v swa, is ta sta, swasta. Evam, a v is having one matra, one dot means what? Matra. So एवं, व्यायाम स्वस्थ एवं सुखमय. Su, sa is having one matras. O matra, सुखमय. जीवन के लिए अत्यावश्यक है. Again here अत्यावश्यक, a ta is halfly joined to ya, so it ya, ya, one line, that is amatra. A tya va ish, because it is a half letter, sh is having half letter, so ish yak. अत्यावश्यक है, how है? Ha is having I matra, so hai, but we'll pronounce that है. स्वस्थ शरीर में ही स्वस्थ मस्तिष्क रहता है. मस्तिष्क. अगेन म, स इज हाफली जॉइंड टू त, so it will be st. And e, one matra is there, e matra, that is small e matra. And sh, it is half letter to k, so ishq. Fully we will read मस्तिष्क रहता है. रोज क स र इत, I told you no, last letter no matra, so it will be as half letter. कसरत करने से. शरीर शरीर. ताकतवान ताकतवान बन जाता है. शरीर के साथ. दिमाग दिमाग भी ताज़ा रह जाता है. प्रातःकाल. See children, pra is having a matra, pra, ta is having aha matra. प्रातः काल, प्रातःकाल. और शाम, दोनों वक्त व्यायाम कर सकते हैं. Here children, one thing I have to explain to you. See, this ha is having only two slanting lines, so we'll say as hai. Here ha is having two slanting lines with one dot, so how we'll pronounce here? Hai hai. I'll read the sentence. शरीर के साथ दिमाग भी ताज़ा रह जाता है. प्रातःकाल और शाम दोनों वक्त व्यायाम कर सकते हैं. Like this. Next, पैदल जाना, टहलना, तैरना, साइकिल चलाना आदि भी कसरत, नो मात्रा, सो हाफ लेटर. कसरत कसरत ही है. योगासन, half, no matras to the last letter, so we'll pronounce as half letter. योगासन, योगासन करना भी व्यायाम का ही भाग है। नियमित नियमित रूप से कसरत करने से ताजगी बढ़ती है। आलस से आदमी दूर रह जाता है। खेल कूद id द is not having any matra। खेल कूद भी व्यायाम का ही दूसरा रूप है। रू प्लस इप रूप है। स्वस्थ एवं सुखमय जीवन के लिए सबको नियमित रूप से कसरत करना चाहिए। So children, we have read the lesson fully with its matras, swar, vyanjan. We have joined it together, and how we have read it, you have seen it. So children, how come I can read so fastly? Because I daily practice the matras, which letter it is, which matra it is, I daily memorize, and so I can read very fastly and easily. You also children daily practice the matras. First you take the letter, which vyanjan letter or swar letter, join the matras, read the letter, then you can read the word, then you can read the whole sentence. Likewise, daily you practice children, you can get it. Practice makes man perfect. Yes or no? Yes children. So, we'll meet in the next session. Thank you children. धन्यवाद बच्चों।